Preston, I'm not playing with you. Go. Zach, get your bird. You're a bad boy. You go get on the couch over there. Why are you coming over here messing with me? You're a bad boy. Go. Preston, I'm not playing with you. You're not biting a hole in me. What? Stop. You're bad. Get back over there with your dad. Get back over there with your dad. You're a bad boy. You're not going to do anything. Get back over there with your dad. Go tell him right now. You go get on your